How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm very good. Thank you so much for joining on my live. Where are you from?
Thank you as well for having me. Thank you. You're good. Thanks
Well,
for being here.
yeah, so kind of you that you started really with kind words.
Yeah, it's been great. Thank you.
All right. Where are you from?
I'm from UK.
Oh, you're from UK. Well, I'm from Bangladesh.
Yeah. Alright, nice.
Do you know Bangladesh?
No, never
Oh,
been there.
okay. Are you native?
Have you been to UK?
No, I never been to the UK, to be honest. But one day, I'm very eager to be in UK to explore.
Alright.
But have you ever been to any other country except United Kingdom?
Yes, I've been to Holland. I've been to um that's it. Germany. Not many countries actually.
Oh, all right.
No.
Well, that's not too bad actually to explore different communities as well, just going to the abroad. But once I had been to the India, but I want to explore once again within a few months. But initially, I would like to go to around my Asian country.
Yeah, I've been to Iran as well.
But have you ever been to any Asian country?
Yeah, Iran, Kurdistan.
Iran. But why did you choose Iran to explore? Did you enjoy the trip of Iran?
Yeah, it was alright with my mom and my cousins.
Well, not too bad actually. But are you a native British or you are migrants from any other country?
No, I'm British.
Oh, British. Are you getting ready for work?
I'm going to ride a bike. Ride a bike.
So you can ride the bike as well?
Yeah.
What's brand bike you have right now?
It's not mine.
So, whose bike is that?
It's not my bike. It's from a place I rent.
Oh, you rent.
Lending.
Hmm. Cool. Well, can you ride up to 100 kilometer per hour?
No.
Or below of 100 kilometer per hour, right?
Yeah.
But United Kingdom is very strict with the law. If you cross the speed of law, so I think you will have to get fined, right?
Yes.
Once upon a time, my friend who ride the bike, she crossed the limit of road speed, and therefore she had to give the fine, and at the same time banned all kind of license.
What did she do then? She got banned.
She got banned from the driving that because the police just given a signal to stop her bike, but she didn't care it is, and instead she just accelerated her speed, and by the way she had to get banned from all kind of license.
Do you go over shopping?
Yeah, I do go for shopping, but not much, and I guess just once in a month, to be honest, as well as you are.
Yeah.
What was the most embarrassing things that took place in your early life?
I don't know. Can't think off the top of my head. Nothing.
Oh, I think every single person, whoever will come into your life, and he or she will be really so satisfied to have with you.
Yeah, thank you. I gotta go now.
Okay, thank you so much, my dear friend Ronnie, and see you around. Have a good day. Enjoy your time.
Alright, thank you. You too.
Okay, cheers.
Bye.